How to send stars in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can send stars in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let me open the Monopoly Go app. So, stars are associated with the cards you have, and if someone offered you a stars, they are essentially offering to trade cards with you. Example, your friend want to trade you 5 cards, and you send 15 stars. Because they are 3 each. Right now, I can show you how to do it because I don't have any friends in this account. But if you have a friend, you can also do that by simply trading some cards and stars. You can see the option there to send stars and just click it. And that's how to send stars in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.